guys, she don't expect that we bring her some biko and then also buko, yung coconut pa, with milk, and what is that one? Spaghetti. Because she just kidding last night. She told us like, can you bring because that's your Lola's birthday, and then she don't believe that we do this really. Sayo, Sar. Hi guys, finally we just done to get what is the result, and now we will go back to our doctor. Only Sarah and me with now, but Shin stayed there in our house in Malungon. The doctor said earlier maybe okay lang daw, maybe my knee is just only this location. I hope okay lang kasi kinakabahan ako. The way to ang tawag yun? The way yung tawag na mag-click yung knees ko. Takot ako kaya. Tinanong nila ako kung na-disgrasya ba daw ako. I love the doctor here. They are very, very kind. And by the way guys, we don't go home, we stay here. Guys, ayan guys. Sabi ng doktor ay okay lang naman daw, wala daw problema, okay daw yung result. Yes, I'm so happy. Kasi nung hindi pa ako pumunta dito, na-worry na talaga ako, what if maging polio ako, kasi palagi sinasabi ni Gina, pag hindi ka pumunta ng doktor o magpa-check up, magka-polio ka, yung mga ganun, or hindi ka na makalakad, kaya na-worry ako. And now I'm so happy that I found out is that I know that my knee is no problem. I'm so happy. I just only need to go back here for session, right, Sarah?
Session.
Session, yes, maybe 4 to 6 days. And I also asked them, guys, if I need some vitamins, but the doctor told me no need. So I'm so happy. Are you happy, Sarah?
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Ako pa yung second mother ni Donnie ngayon.
And now we will go to our hotel. Yes. Nag-book si Andre for us. I'm still full. Doon Sarah sa loob kasi bumili siya ng gamot for my grandma. Yan yung Jollibee. Then, ito yung hospital. Dito kami nagpa-check up. Now we're going to our hotel.
Dito ko piso-piso.
Okay, ano to? And dito tayo sa room. I will show you. Wow! Tag-isa tayo, Sarah. Wow! I think dire ko banda, Sar. Yes. Ang ganda dito, guys. Then, hindi ganong mahal. Ayan yung view niya sa labas. Sar? Hello everyone! Good evening! So tonight we're going in outside because we will find what we can eat there and I will show you. Yes, and this is our final outfit with Sarah also. She looks so stunning. Da? So let's go! So let's go guys. Ang ganda ng suot ni Sarah. Napaka-sexy niya. What you want to eat, Sarah? Yung eat all you can? You want like that? Also good. So we will try what good there. So we are here in outside na and finding Sarah, bakit ang dilim? We find a tricycle going to Maps.
Maps, ang grill. Kuya sa Maps, kuya sa ang grill. Sa Maps.
Sa?
At yung sanda na. Ay, ito yung sanda.
Gusto nyo nga lagaw?
Guys, maybe we will try to find another kasi kunti na lang yung mga natirang ulam, guys. Yes. Kasi nag-start sila ay what time sila? 5, maybe 5:30 PM. Then already 9 na. So wala na gaanong marami na figure. Pero alam nyo ba guys, sobrang sarap nitong mga ulam nila guys. Sadyang ayaw na namin ngayon kasi maliit na yung mga tira and then walang lechon kawali, ubos na daw. Diba Sarah? Ano yung hinahanap mo na wala dito ngayon?
Para yung mga shrimp nila, bacon. Kasi marami. Tapos nauubos na kasi maraming tao daw kanina. Kaya nauubos na yung mga.
Kaya maghanap ulit tayo ng iba.
Para worth it naman yung 309 namin na per head.
So we will go to another buffet guys. Yes. Gutom na din kami ni Sarah. Kanina pa kasi kami nag-antay kasi nag-charge ako ng cellphone ko and then ang tagal mo po. So we are here now and try to find what we can order. And they said they recommend this to good for 2 person. What do you think, Sarah? Are they good for 2?
2 to 3 person.
Yes. So finally we done order and then we still need to wait 5 minutes only. So fast. Yes, Sarah?
Yes.
So guys, ito na lahat yung aming ulam or food. Ito, kalimutan ko, tawag nito Sarah? Yes. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Then, buttered shrimp and also, so, I forgot what's the color. Sarap to guys. Ayan. Then yung rice namin. So, let's eat everyone. So, ito guys, ang daming namin pagkain. Then, kami lang dalawa ni Sarah kakain ito. So guys, kain po tayo. Ito yung naubos ko guys. At dami. Malaki yung mga shell pero maliit naman yung laman. Yan, ubos. Yung mga corn na lang yun naiwan din. Ang dami pa din naming mga sabaw. Yan, ubos yung butter. Sarah! Busog ka, Sarah?
Yes.
Anong masasabi mo sa ulam natin o sa mga kinakain natin ngayon?
It's okay naman. It's okay lang. Like ko po yung ano nila yun.
What the most you like here?
Butter shrimp. Tapos yung sabaw nila.
Masarap, Jim.
Lahat-lahat naman. Yung nakakain natin ngayon is
Ang sarap talaga guys. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sobrang busog namin guys. Ang laki pa naman ng in-order namin. Then kami lang dalawa ni Sarah. Kaya busog talaga din. Ano pa yung plano mong kainin, Sarah? Ano pa yung gusto mong kainin?
ano, yung balut kasi parang sabi ito na something bidli. Bidli kayo magkaon guys. Pag-isaya mo na ako kasi parang naantok na talaga ako guys.
Then kailangan ni Sarah ng spicy.
Magkain ng balut kasi parang
Gusto
yung
manghang.
sinamakan nila is manghang yan. Tapos para maano, ito na siya like
Mawala ang kabidli.
mawala dyan ang kabidli guys. Sa libuhan.
Bisaya rin nakasabot, ana.